Alright, I had an opportunity to talk with Pinguy last night on IRC, and he let me know that his 1204 LTS is now available in both 32 and 64-bit editions, plus he's also done a remake on his website. Well, we're going to have a look at the 32-bit version right now on Spatry's Cup of Linux. Alright, here it is. We are looking at the 32-bit edition of the new Pinguy OS 1204 LTS. And this time I have all the effects running and that sort of thing. A few things I want to point out to you guys who are using this for the very first time. You may notice that your wallpaper is going to change. To disable this, you simply click this icon here that looks like a camera and go into Preferences, and then just make sure that you have Rotate Wallpaper every 5 minutes turned off and download new photos every 24 hours. Now, this is a nice feature though. If you really want to have your wallpaper automatically change, you can leave this alone. But the thing is, there are some other options in this that you can use. You can download images from Flickr, from Web Shots if you have an account, and there are some advanced settings that you can use as well. Alright, and you'll notice on the screen you have Conky here, and you can actually change that if you wanted to. This uses the Cardappio menu, and simply just type in Conky, and here it is. You don't even have to type in the whole word. I really like that. I'm going to use the Conky Gray theme. Select OK on that. And then now we've got a nicer look on Conky here, where you've got a number of dials that will be appearing here in just a moment. I think that looks kind of cool, actually. Now, in the past I have done reviews on Pinguy OS, and he just, he always thinks of everything. He puts together a really nice distribution that is really good for beginners or geeks. If you're going to go ahead and install Ubuntu, why not, and then install a bunch of applications on top of it, why not just try Pinguy OS instead? Okay, so right down here, you get advanced settings, you get the Synaptic Package Manager, the VLC Media Player, Clementine for managing those music files, XChat IRC. If you connect to Freenode IRC in the Linux distro community, you will see me there, and we can chat sometimes. And then we've got Thunderbird Mail, you get the Firefox web browser, and then of course you can configure Docky from here. Shortcuts to all of your major folders are located right here, quick and easy. And as indicated, you get the wonderful Cardappio menu. I use this myself. I think it is magnificent. I like how it organizes and lays everything out for you. You have quick access to your places, to all of the accessories that you need to get the most out of this system. You get the DJL Game Manager, which allows you to download your games to a centralized location and play with them, and then, removing them is really easy. The DJL Game Client is really good, and I'm glad that Pinguy continues to include this. You also get Play on Linux for allowing you to get the most out of your Wine applications, or Windows applications, trying to get some of them installed and working. You get a few graphics tools installed with this. Notably, you get Pinta, which is an easier version of a image editor than the GIMP is. You also get Rapid Photo Downloader and Shotwell Photo Manager. And then, of course, in the internet, all of the tools that you would need for getting assistance. Specifically, TeamViewer 7 is included with this. You get Skype, you get Firefox, Empathy for instant messaging, Deluge, a BitTorrent client. He thought of it all. Wonderful stuff here. You get the LibreOffice suite, which will allow you to edit all your Office documents and that sort of thing. There's some other software selections specifically for your Light Scribe, for those of you who have that. Every tool that you can think of for viewing video and listening to audio files, that sort of thing, that is all included here. Okay, and then of course you have a number of system tools as well, universal access. This also includes wine tricks as well. Now, Pinguy indicated that he did not include Vineyard in the new Pinguy OS because he feels that the project has gone idle and he was running into a few little issues with it, and I've experienced a few issues with Vineyard on my Arch system, but I'm still able to get some use out of it, just not as well as I was able to when I was running Vineyard in Pinguy OS 11.04. All in all, Anthony Norman, you did a wonderful job on this. You always do. You think of everything pretty much. I highly recommend this distribution to beginners, so head on over to pinguios.com and get your copy today. It comes in the 386, or you can get the X64 editions.